You ever snapped at someone you care about, then instantly regretted it? That sinking feeling in your stomach. We've all been there. Today, I will be talking about how to stop anger from ruining your day in just 5 minutes. Welcome to 5-Minute Reset. I'm here to help you handle anger without feeling overwhelmed by it. Anger is not the villain we think it is, but actually, it is trying to tell us something that is hiding below the surface. Imagine ordering something at a shop, but they give you the wrong item. When you politely tell them, they shout at you and blame you in front of everyone. Your face feels hot, you wish you could disappear, you feel embarrassed. Familiar? Many people don't realize that anger often hides deeper emotions, like fear, hurt, or disappointment. It's a cover-up emotion. Next time, when you feel anger rising, think of these 3 ways you can use to handle your anger. The first one is deep breathing. Slow, deep breaths from the diaphragm can lower your heart rate and calm your nervous system. Take 1 deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and out for 8 seconds. Repeat as needed. This calms your nervous system, boosts oxygen to your brain, and helps you think more clearly about your next response. The second one is name it to tame it. So, in this situation, you would ask yourself, what is actually underneath this anger? What other emotions am I feeling? Referring back to our shop scenario, you would ask yourself, am I feeling embarrassed for being shouted at and everyone is staring at me? Am I feeling disappointed as a customer? When you name the real emotion or emotions, then anger loses its grip because now you've gone to the source of your discomfort. You now know exactly what is happening in that situation as far as your anger is concerned and can decide what productive and constructive thing to do next, such as ask for the manager, cancel your order, etc. The last one is physical activity. When you notice your anger starting to build, try taking a walk, going for a run, exercising, or doing any kind of physical activity. This helps reduce stress and triggers your body to release feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and create a sense of well-being. And when you're feeling good, anger naturally becomes much less intense and easier to manage. Stepping away from the situation by being physically active also helps you distance yourself from the trigger, giving you time to calm down and think more clearly. I've also had my share of anger moments. I recall one road rage incident where I was driving to work and traffic was moving very slowly. It did not help that I was already late for work and was feeling anxious about that. Then, this guy in a big truck swerved into my lane and I had to swerve away to avoid crashing into his truck. I honked my horn at him and he gave me the middle finger. I felt my temperature rising immediately. I tried to overtake him so that I could give him the angry eye. When I was passing his car and looked at him, I saw someone who did not care about what they had done and was laughing and making inappropriate gestures. I forced myself to get away from this maniac. It took me close to an hour to calm myself down. From that incident, I realized anger was hiding my fear, helplessness, and frustration. I also saw that anger has patterns, and I needed to understand mine. My triggers are disrespect, embarrassment, helplessness, and hurt. Instead of exploding, I now focus on calming myself, identifying the emotions beneath the anger, and addressing those real feelings. Anger doesn't have to control you. You can transform it into self-awareness and emotional strength. If this message resonated with you, hit that thumbs up button. It helps others find this content. Subscribe for your daily 5-minute emotional reset and drop us a comment. We'd love to read it. Until next time, bye!